If you're running SAP, chances are your data is scattered. Finance data in SAP S/4HANA, HR data in SAP SuccessFactors, procurement data in SAP Ariba, maybe a legacy SAP business warehouse environment on top of that. And somewhere in the mix, a handful of third-party tools that don't talk to each other cleanly. Getting all of that into one coherent, trustworthy picture? That's the problem SAP Business Data Cloud, or SAP BDC, was built to solve. SAP BDC is a fully managed cloud-native platform that unifies, governs, and activates data across the entire SAP ecosystem. It was announced in February 2025, developed in close partnership with Databricks, and it brings together several tools you may already know: SAP Datasphere, SAP Analytics Cloud, and a new embedded Databricks environment into a single integrated platform. The core concept is what SAP calls a business data fabric, a unified layer that connects SAP and non-SAP data without requiring complex extraction or replication, and preserves the business context, the definitions, hierarchies, and relationships that make your data meaningful in the first place. Let's break down what SAP BDC actually contains. SAP Datasphere is the data integration and semantic modeling backbone. It connects data from across your landscape, applies business context at the source, and supports live data federation, so teams can access data without always copying it into a separate environment. SAP Analytics Cloud is the front end for analytics and planning. Dashboards, reports, ad hoc analysis, financial and operational planning. This is where business users interact with the insights that SAP BDC generates. SAP Databricks is one of the most significant new additions. It's an SAP-managed version of the Databricks data intelligence platform embedded natively in SAP BDC. It enables data engineering, machine learning, and AI workloads, running directly against your governed SAP data with bidirectional data sharing that doesn't require complex pipelines or copies. And underpinning all of it is SAP HANA Cloud, the in-memory database that makes real-time analytics across large volumes of SAP data actually feasible. Two features worth calling out specifically. First, data products. In SAP BDC, a data product is a curated, governed, reusable dataset built on SAP's deep application knowledge. These aren't raw tables. They carry the same business logic and definitions as the source system. A finance data product built from SAP S/4HANA means the same thing to a business analyst building a revenue report as it does to an AI model running a cash flow prediction. Second, intelligent applications. These are pre-built, AI-driven analytical apps that sit on top of those data products and deliver ready-made insights for specific business functions. Finance, supply chain, HR, procurement. Partners like Accenture, Deloitte, and Capgemini are already building on top of the platform, extending it well beyond SAP's own applications. A few audiences have a direct stake in SAP BDC right now. SAP BW customers have a particularly clear reason to pay attention. SAP support for BW on SAP HANA runs through 2030, which creates urgency but not panic. SAP BDC is the defined modernization path, and the transition is designed to be gradual, not a forced cutover. Analytics and AI teams benefit from a foundation of high-quality, semantically rich SAP data that's ready to power models without extensive cleansing work. Data and IT teams get reduced integration complexity, managed infrastructure, and built-in governance, without having to stitch together a custom data stack. Most large organizations have their most important operational data sitting inside SAP systems. The challenge has always been getting to that data in a governed, context-preserving way, without a team of engineers and months of pipeline work. SAP BDC is SAP's answer to that. The modernization path exists. The question is just when you want to start walking it. To learn more about SAP, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you never miss a new video.